In this video, we are excited to guide you through the simple steps of creating a knowledge base using Easiio ChatAI, the private ChatGPT for business. With ChatAI, you can harness the power of advanced AI technology to enhance your customer support and elevate the overall customer experience. By building a comprehensive knowledge base, you can provide quick and accurate answers to customer queries, create a self-service query system, and guide potential customers to the right information or web pages. Experience the benefits of Chat AI and revolutionize your customer interactions with intelligent and efficient chatbot solutions. Let's get started. First, log into the sflow.io using your account. Then, access the knowledge base of the chatbot you wish to modify. Include sitemaps in the knowledge base content. Once you've added the sitemaps, allow some time for the indexing process to complete. Once the indexing is finished, you will notice that the content is marked as indexed and ready for use. To verify the results of the indexing, navigate to the Chat AI console by clicking on the icon located at the top right corner. Enter relevant questions, such as inquiries about the services provided on the website. You'll be impressed by the informative responses generated by the chatbot. This demonstrates how effortless it is to configure a knowledge base for your business website. Additionally, you have the option to incorporate additional content, such as internal documents, to further enhance the knowledge base. That concludes the process of creating a knowledge base on Easiio ChatAI, our private ChatGPT. If you enjoyed watching our video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. This video was produced using Easiio ScreenyFlow, which incorporates AI voice narration. As you can see, creating such videos is incredibly straightforward.